What up, guys? This is Patronn from Brooklyn Mitsubishi. Let me explain to you what's going on on December 3rd. Okay, you guys know we're talking about my conference, and this is not like any other conference, okay? So basically what's gonna happen is that most of you guys are gonna fly in. All my elite people, my vendors, my key people are gonna be there. So, but here's the deal, okay? The big difference is that I have a dealership, okay? And I have the blueprint proven that I can take a store from 100 cars to almost 400 cars. And I wanna share that with you guys. So all the owners out there, all the GMs out there that have an idea but don't have really the blueprint how to do it, I'm gonna teach you how to do it that day. Okay, so it's very important for you to come down to my conference on December 3rd. Click the link below, get your ticket, call me up if you want more information. All right, and let's get it done. 2019 is gonna be your best year that you're gonna have. It's a record year, all right? Here we did it in less than a year, so I can only imagine what we could do. Little nuggets you're gonna learn there, it's gonna take the dealership to the next level, guys. And believe me, you'll be thanking me later, all right? Peace.